Today we're going to show you how to install the 22.5-degree column adapter brackets by ColorGuard. These instructions apply to both our 22.5-degree straight rail and stair rail adapters. The adapter brackets are sold in sets of 2 with mounting screws included and come in white, tan, and clay. These adapters work with vinyl lines including Classic, Savannah, Architectural, Verona, Key West, and Florence. Before you install, you'll need to gather your tools, including a drill, pencil, tape measure, and a number 2 square bit drive. And don't forget your safety glasses. Pro tip: we recommend cutting several spacers to assist with installation. 4-inch spacers work with the -H Classic, Architectural, Verona, and Florence models, and 2-inch spacers with the -2H Classic, Savannah, and Key West. Adapter brackets connect between the post and straight rail brackets. There are locating pins on the adapters to make connecting with the straight rail brackets easier. To begin installation, place the finished section of the railing you wish to install on the 4-inch spacers. Holding the top adapter bracket in place, push the railing up against the post and mark where you would like to mount the adapter. Mark for the bottom adapter, then repeat for the other side of the railing. Remove the railing and put the first adapter in place. We recommend taping it in place so it doesn't move during attachment. Using a drill, attach the adapters. Depending on the material, you may want to pre-drill your holes first. If using the Patriot Post Mount by ColorGuard, you will need to pierce the post to secure the adapter properly. Once secured, repeat for remaining adapters. Once all the adapters are secured, put the straight rail in place and attach. And you're done. Thank you for watching. For more information on ColorGuard railing systems, including product information, options and accessories, installation instructions, and inspirational ideas, please visit us at colorguardrailing.com.